welcome! Today I'm having chocolate crackle cookies. As chocolate cookies, they are good to be baked and eaten any time of the year. But over the years in our home, they have somehow become the ones to open the winter holiday season. They are crispy on the outside and soft and chocolatey inside. They're delicious. I'll show you how to make them. To make chocolate crackle cookies, we will need 2 room temperature eggs, 2 cups or 250 grams of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup or 75 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder. Cocoa powder is really important for these cookies, and you will notice the difference depending on the quality of the cocoa powder. Half a cup or 115 grams of unsalted room temperature butter, 1 cup or 220 grams of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons or 7 grams of baking powder, half a teaspoon of vanilla and a pinch of salt, and powdered sugar for rolling in the cookies. Add in a bowl flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix everything well. Mix well together the soft butter with sugar. Add 1 egg and continue mixing. Then add the second egg. Add vanilla and mix well. Add the flour mix to the batter and mix everything well together, using a mixer or by hand. The dough will be sticky, but you should be able to form it into a ball. So if it's too soft, you might need to add a spoon or 2 more of flour. Wrap the dough in a plastic wrap and put it in a fridge for about half an hour or a bit longer. We want the dough to harden a little so that it's easier to shape the cookie balls. When you're ready to make and bake the cookies, set the oven to heat to 160 degrees Celsius or 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Put powdered sugar in a small bowl. Remove the dough from the fridge and roll it into small balls. Mine are approximately 3 centimeters or 1 inch in diameter. Roll each dough ball in the powdered sugar so that it sticks generously. Put the cookie balls on the baking tray, leaving a little distance between them as they will flatten a little while baking. Put the cookies to bake in the oven for 12 minutes. Don't round up the baking time, as we want the cookies to be hard on the outside and soft and chocolatey in the inside. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you get to make chocolate crackle cookies. If you do, let me know in the comments how they turned out for you. Enjoy the process and enjoy the cookies. See you next week. Bye.